Welcome back. Continuing the same program, explaining the same program. Last video we discussed up to not breaking the loop. It is continuously executing. So how do we solve this problem? That is the thing that we are explaining. So here the output is like this. I am pausing the video because it takes too much of time to get the output. Okay, here 1 for sum, okay, addition, 2 for subtraction, division. I gave 3, okay, that is why. So 2 for subtraction, 4 for multiplication, and 5 is not exiting. So the entire program is working continuously. So that is not our aim. Our aim is to break once the value of value 5 reaches in this program. Okay. So I am modifying the program. How can we modify? It's executing. This condition is getting true because the x value is 1. We deliberately made it the x value as 1. So x equal to 1. That is why it is continuously executing. So where we have to make the changes of the value of x. Once the user is pressing the value 5, it comes into the statement. So actually what is happening in the switch case statement is we are collecting the values like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and thus that values are stored in the variable choice. So choice is passed, we are passing the choice value to this switch case statement, and if the value of choice is 1, it is executing the case 1 part and it is breaking the statement. And if the value of choice is 2, it is coming into the case 2 statement. It will match the value that is available here. In case 1, if the value of choice is 1, then it is moving on to the case 1. If the value of choice is 2, it is moving on to case 2 and execute the till the break statement. Likewise, if the value is 5, it is getting into the case statement and 5 and it exit. So if the value that the user entered is 5, then we have to make the modification like x equal to some other value than 1. If the s value is 1, then it will continuously execute. So instead of that, I am making the value of x as 0. So it will break the loop. It will break in the sense it will change the value of x after pressing the value 5, it will print the value exit, print the exit statement. After that, making the value of x is equal to 0 and break. So again it will check x equal to 1, 0 equal to 1, condition false and get out of the loop. Run this program. So 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for division, 4 for multiplication, and the changes that we made here is if you are pressing 5, it should exit the program. So exit the program, okay, that's all. So our program is working fine. Now we are going to understand how the switch case statement is working. We are giving the options like 1 for sum, 2 for subtraction, 3 for division, 4 for multiplication, 5 for exit. That is why if the value of choice is equal to 1, it comes into the first case statement, execute the statements inside the case 1 and break the statement. If the value is 2, it comes into the second case statement, execute the printf statement, then break. Likewise. So it depends on the value that is available in choice. So what I am doing is I am modifying the program like this. Okay, here, okay, instead of 1, I am giving the symbol like plus, then minus, then division, so slash I am placing here, then star I am placing here, okay, and 5 or E for exit. So simultaneously I have to make the values here, not directly plus is a character, consider it as a character, so we have to place plus within the single quotes, then only it will work. Remember this kind of modification that you have to make, we are not using integer, we are using character, okay, so then only it will match. Okay, so slash for division, this is star for multiplication, and E for exit, okay, then okay, let me run this program. Some error may occur. Actually this compiler is not popping up the error. Actually here we have an error. Choice, these are characters that we are expecting, but it is mentioned it as integer. Okay, we have to make it as character. char choice. So once it is character, then it has to be C. And here we have to make the space here, then only, otherwise it will take the enter as a character, so it will give you a wrong result. That we already discussed, I think. We have to make a space here, otherwise the enter button that we are pressing in the keyboard will be considered as an input and will create errors. So what I am doing is I am running this program. Here this is the options. The options are like this: plus, minus, star, slash, star, then E. So I am giving the value plus. Okay, it is saying that addition. Then I am giving the value star multiplication. Then I am giving the value slash division. Then I am giving the value minus subtraction. Then I am giving capital E to exit the program. Okay, it is working fine. So from this example, we understand that whatever value that is available in the choice, that will be matched with the case statement. If the value is plus, then it verify whether the character value plus is equal to the plus available in case. Okay, if it matches, then it execute the addition process. If minus, if it matches minus, it executes the subtraction. Likewise, this is the case. Now we are collecting the values for doing the exact operation, for doing the printf operation. Okay. So here printf enter the details, enter two numbers. So we have to collect those two numbers in our two variables, scanf %d. So two integer variables we are expecting for doing the operation, comma ampersand n1, comma ampersand n2. So here I am giving n1 comma n2. Okay, let me run this program. Oh, I forgot to say error is showing here because I forgot to enter the semicolon. It's not showing error. That is a problem of this compiler. So plus, asking for two numbers, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, 5, 6. Okay. So we have to. I didn't made the calculation. So exit. Okay. So here we collected the two values and printing the values. Printf. So each and every time I like to align this program /n, and so here also /n, then only it will shows in a beautiful manner. Okay, printf sum is %d, comma n1 plus n2. Just run the program. Okay, so plus 1, then 2. Okay, it is giving the value 3 and is asking for the another option. So modify the programs accordingly. Enter the program. We are repeating the statements. Listen, we are repeating the statements here. Okay. Minus, this is for minus, and this is division. So slash, and here it is multiplication star. So slash n, here everywhere I have to mention the slash n, then only it will give you a standardized form output. Slash n, running the program. Here plus R2 6 addition, then subtraction 8, then 5 3, result 3, then slash 8, then 2 4. Oh, sum is. So I should made a correction here. It's not sum. It's the first case is sum. Second case it is not sum, subtraction. So result, I can just simply say that result is okay, so that it will match in all the cases. Result. അതാ വരുന്നത്. Star 30 and I am pressing E, exit. Okay, that's all. So that's all about switch case statement, and we will continue this program where we will optimize this program. This is not an optimized program. I have to optimize this program in the next video. Okay, so this is a way that we have to write a program with the help of a switch case statement. Okay. One more thing I would like, if the user is choosing the option, so we have five options: plus, minus, slash, star, E. I am giving the value A. Okay, it's showing you a wrong option. Wrong in the sense it is not responding anything. Okay, so we have to say that we have to say to the compiler, to the user that you made a wrong entry. So A is not in the list. Plus, minus, slash, star, E or the list of options that we provided. User gave A, so that is a wrong option. So we have to give we have to modify the program to say that this is wrong. Okay, how will you do that? In a switch case statement, we have an option like default. So after this case statement, you can say that default. So it's very simple. The meaning of default, we all know that printf saying that slash n wrong option, try again. You can mention anything like this. So by default, if the value is not matching it any of the cases, it will get into the default statement and will execute. So this is the syntax. So default. Okay, running the program. Here if the user is giving the value 8, wrong option, try again. So this is another option that we have in this switch case statement. Okay, so this is the syntax for that default. So by default, if it is not matching in any of the cases, so default it will go to this particular printf statement and break. Hope you clear with this concept of switch case statement. Okay, we will see you in the next video. Thank you.